Okay, so let's talk a little bit about scales. Okay, it is extremely important to have the correct one. Based off of some of the things I've seen on like the Facebook groups and on the online forums and even on the channel, I have a lot of folks that are reaching out to me via email that have claimed to found either, like a transitional scent, one that was struck on a copper planchet after 1982, and saying, hey, I have something that weighs 3 grams. This is the rare one. Where do I sell it? Now hold up just a minute, okay? That could be the case, but 99.9% of the time, based off of the images that I've seen come through, these folks are using the wrong scale. All right, if you guys know pennyweight scales, okay, they're fantastic. They're a great tool, and they are extremely invaluable, okay, to the people who do jewelry. For those of you that deal in raw precious metals, gold nuggets, silver ore, whatever the case may be, this is the type of tool that can make or break you, okay? To save a little bit of trouble, all right, the correct scale to own. Of course, let me just step back half a step. Scales come in a variety of different weight patterns, okay? You have some that measure in tenths, hundredths, and thousands, and some of the more expensive ones can even go higher than that. The one you want to try and avoid are the tenths, okay? And the way that you know that is a scale that weighs in tenths of a gram is it'll be a number, the decimal point, and then a single number. Okay, much like the sample image you see on the screen, this is a scale that measures in tenths. Okay, so you have 3.0. The problem with these is if you have a coin like a zinc penny, okay, let's say for example the 1983, and you have one that's zinc, these weigh 2.6 grams. So what the scale will do is they'll round up to the nearest gram, therefore giving you a false reading and a false sense of kind of like security, knowing that maybe you have a copper planchet rare 1983. Whereas if you had, at the very minimum, you want one that reads in hundredths, so you'll have the number, the decimal point, and then 2 digits after that. So if you weighed, say, this 1983 zinc cent, it'll come up tried and true as 2.60. Because of that, the stakes are high. Okay, what I mean by that is, if you truly did found a copper 1983 or any other date after 1982 transitional coin, the coin's worth anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000. There are certain dates that are worth more. For example, there was a 1989D that was sold on, I believe, Stack's Bowers auctions for like $50,000. Okay, 1983 is a little bit more common because it's the date after 1982. It's understandable that there are a few misplaced copper planchets that were struck during that time. So those are the $10,000 to $20,000 coins. Getting this all right from the beginning makes a lot of sense, and it really wouldn't hurt you, nor would it be a huge increase in price to go from a scale that weighs in tenths to hundreds or thousands. There are scales that go up into the thousands, which is 3 numbers after the decimal, that sell for like $20. So to save a lot of headache when it comes to this, you want to make sure you purchase the correct one. If you didn't buy the correct one, again, these are $15, $20 online. I have scales available down below this video in the resource box, so if you hit show more, it will have all the links to various products to Amazon that I endorse. And again, make sure if you're into roll hunting specifically for like a transitional, among other things, make sure you have the right scale. So that's kind of more or less a public service announcement. Again, I enjoy all the emails, and a lot of you, Keith Gifford, man, I will get back to your emails. If you're watching this, rest assured, with kids heading back to school and, trying to make room for a couple little mini vacations, I haven't had as much time as I wanted to get back to all the comments and feedback. Rest assured, we're going to see more time for that. I appreciate your guys' time. Hit like, subscribe, Blue Ridge Silverhound. Appreciate you guys, and keep hunting. Enjoy it.